Well, I'm pretty much finished with the GLI. Got the doors painted today. I think it turned out nice. I had to blend in. I think it looks good because you can't tell the color difference. It's a different shade of gray from the front to the back. I think it turned out nice. And then I got the new stereo and everything installed. Show you that in a sec here. Obviously the seat got fixed, so that's better. Here's a new stereo. Still got some work to do, put some stuff together, but I think I've worked hard enough for this weekend. Almost done.